Hey everybody, sorry I'm not there today. You can see I'm busy with my other class today. I just want to make sure everybody knows what they're supposed to get done today, so I was just going to make a quick video going over the things that you need to do today. The first thing, obviously, that you need to finish your poster projects. One thing that I highly recommend, make sure you can see your arrows very good. Make sure your arrows are dark and I can clearly see the flow of energy within your project. Also, make sure to color in your animals that you are putting onto the paper and your plants. After you're done with that, you're going to be completing the 2 pages at the front. That's near a TV on top of that tall desk. We got the first one where you're going to be filling in blanks and giving answers about your biomes. And the second one is where you're going to make an easy question, medium question, and hard question based on your biome. And you're going to answer those as well. After you're completed with that, you are going to move on to your biome research paper. And your research paper, I printed off a copy for you, and that's at the front of class on the same desk as well. And there's also a copy of it in Google Classroom. Just go to Ecosystems on the side, and you can click on Biome Report. All right, remember you're answering these 6 questions, and you're not just answering the questions, you're putting this in a paragraph form. It should be an essay. So what I would recommend doing is probably making like 1 and 2 a paragraph, 3 and 4 a paragraph, 5 and 6 a paragraph. You should have at least 3 paragraphs. You can use the stuff I put in here for terrestrial and aquatic biomes. There's a lot of info in these for you to easily access. You can also use anything in Google to help you to do further research as well. I just ask that you have your best writing, make sure you indent, use complete sentences. It should be a great 5th grade paper. My sample one I gave you earlier or yesterday, this is just the first, I think 1 and 2 and maybe 3 and 4 of me just writing out about the taiga. This is an example of similar to what I want yours to look like. I want to see indentions. I want to see clear paragraphs, at least 5 sentences long, capitals, punctuation, all that. And you can also give yourself a title up at the top up here. All right, after you are finished with that, which will probably take you Thursday and Friday, I should be back on Friday. After you're finished with that, during your ELA boost time, you're going to move back on to the social studies. You were given partners yesterday and you knew which group you're going to do yesterday, so stick with the same partner, stick with the same group. If for some reason your partner's not here, Miss Parker, whoever else is in the room will team you up with someone else. But remember, you're going to go to social studies down here at the bottom. You can click on the Indigenous People slide, Resources. Yesterday we got you signed into Big Universe, and these are the questions that you're going to be answering and putting together a slideshow about. All this is stuff that we need to know about your assigned Indigenous people that you're going to be learning about. These are the different areas. And I would highly recommend, if you haven't done this part yet, I would read these first. I would read all these first before you start working on it. That way you and your partner both have a good idea of what you want to work on. It'll make you more familiar with the content when you go to actually start on your presentation. Your presentation will be this template here. You can change anything you want. I made it just blank and generic as possible, just so you can spiff it up and make it look as cool as you want to. Over here, you can actually type in and put in your own title that you want to have up here. You might want to title this by the Indigenous people that you've been assigned. Over here, on each of the slides is a different area that you have to discuss. It may take you more than 1 slide. If you need to add slides, you're more than welcome. You can hit Add New Slide. You can duplicate a slide. You can change the layout if you want to put pictures and words. You can make it however you want to. You can change different themes, fonts. You can be as creative as you want to with it. I do not care. I want to see it be interesting. So that is what you're going to be completing and working on. It'll probably take you at least a couple of days to finish this as well. So there's more than enough stuff to keep you busy while I'm gone. Please let Miss Parker or whoever's in the room know if you need any help with anything, and please be on your best behavior while I'm out. I always know, and everyone always lets me know if there's any issues. Before I leave, just one more important thing. I was playing Minecraft, and I just wanted to show you this very close call.